What's up, guys? How's everyone today? Today I'm going to show you how to make dirt. Now you're thinking, dirt? That's just outside, right? Well, mine is made from compost. Like, for instance, if you have scraps of food like these. See, there's oranges, rice, banana peels, and all that kind of stuff. There's avocado, skin. That's what I'm talking about. Also, we have eggshells. See those? Now, we're using our New Wave oven. We have it all set up. And we're gonna have this, let's see, it's gonna probably cook for about 2 hours or so. And it will get sort of burnt, but that's alright. Now, if you don't want the house smelling like charred food or that kind of stuff, we're gonna take it outside. Today it's about 39 degrees, kind of chilly. Took a walk outside today. It's colder than I thought. But you know, alright. We're outside. We're gonna plug it in. See right there? We should level this a little more. Because you know, you don't want it falling over full of hot stuff. There's a pup, Chloe. She likes to talk. Alright. Got the New Wave. See right there. We're gonna set it for 2 hours. See, start, cook time, start. Now see, we have it all set. It's going to cook for about 2 hours. And I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Let's go over here. All right. Let's put some light on the subject. Alrighty. The finished product looks like this. See all that? See, nice and it's like dirt, and it grows. Nice, a lot of nutrients and stuff in that. That's how you make dirt, guys. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.